I'm going to show you today what to do when you build an addition and the floor in the existing house is out of whack. So there's no way to have it come out flush. We're going to show you how to fix that problem. Join us today. We'll show you how to level out a floor that's out 1 inch at one end, down to 1/4 inch at the other end. Basically 1 1/4 inches to about 1/4 inch out of level. I'll show you how to fix that when it's adjoined to another room and you want to lay a flat floor. Please join us. All right, this is our floor. It's a little bit cattywampus. We need to pour it and bring it up to this lip. So we're using NXT Level by Latticrete. Down here, we are flush. So we're gonna go completely around. And we have what, 30 bags? 30 bags. We're halfway across. We're looking good. We're coming up flush with our OSB board and our little cement wall there. A little cement. All right, the product. Here we go, finished product.
Check the weather forecast.
There you go. How many bags was that, guys?
How many did you buy? 30. So we use 24.
24 bags. 24 bags on 240 square feet. You do the math. Get out your abacus. Keeping it real, honest, transparent. I had to feather the edges a little bit off, 1/8 of an inch off in places. So we feathered the edge. I use the same material. I just mix it up thicker the next level. We feathered the edge. Some floor guys are showing up in a few hours to lay the floor. So it should be good to go in about 3 hours.
Please join us. Keep it a secret, but go tell a friend. Jack and Bubba are sharing videos around the world.